Welcome to episode 10 of the Thinking Behind Reality podcast, Rethinking Reality. By now, something may feel different, not because reality has changed, but because the way you think about it has. We began this journey asking why scientific thoughts matter. Along the way, solidity dissolved into structure, time lost its certainty, scale reshaped truth, patterns replaced objects, observation became participation, intuition revealed its limits, probability replaced certainty, models replaced absolutes. None of this was meant to give you answers. It was meant to change how you ask questions. Scientific thinking is not a destination, it's a posture, a willingness to hold ideas lightly, to remain curious, to let evidence challenge instinct. It doesn't promise comfort, it offers clarity. When we rethink reality through this lens, something important happens. We stop demanding final explanations. We stop mistaking confidence for understanding. We stop treating uncertainty as failure. Instead, uncertainty becomes a guide, a signal that deeper structure remains to be explored. This way of thinking doesn't stay confined to science. It shapes how we handle disagreement, how we respond to complexity, how we navigate a world filled with incomplete information. Scientific thinking teaches patience, not with ignorance, but with nuance. It reminds us that understanding grows by revision, not certainty. That progress comes from better questions, not louder answers. That changing your mind is not weakness, it's alignment with reality. Rethinking reality doesn't mean abandoning meaning. It means grounding meaning in curiosity rather than certainty. It means recognizing that reality is not a finished story waiting to be memorized, but an evolving structure inviting exploration. And this brings us to an important shift. Up to now, we've been focused on how we think about reality. In the next series, we'll begin exploring what we actually know. Reality. What we know will take the same way of thinking and apply it to the foundations of scientific understanding. What do we truly know about space and time? What do we know about matter and energy? What do we know about life, information, and consciousness? Not as absolute truths, but as our best current models. This next series isn't about piling on facts. It's about understanding the limits of knowledge, where confidence is earned, where uncertainty remains, and how scientific knowledge evolves without ever claiming finality. Because scientific thinking doesn't end when answers appear. That's where it begins. We are not observers standing outside the universe collecting facts. We are participants embedded in reality, shaping and reshaping our understanding through thought, measurement, and imagination. Our thinking shapes what we notice shapes what we believe, and what we believe shapes how we act. So the question isn't whether reality can be fully understood. The question is whether we're willing to keep thinking carefully, humbly, and creatively about it. Reality doesn't demand belief, it invites understanding, and understanding begins not with certainty, but with curiosity. This is the thinking behind reality, and next we turn to reality, what we know. I am happy you are here.